Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Pentair Intellibrite 5G Color Underwater LED Spa Light 12-volt 18-watt 50-foot cord. At 18 watt, the new Pentair Intellibrite 5G Color Spa lights provide the most energy-efficient lighting ever. Combinations of individual colored LED are mixed and matched to achieve a vibrant spectrum of colors. These combinations are power sequenced to illuminate and cycle through colors at varying speeds and in different sequences of color. With its custom reflector and unique lens design, the Intellibrite 5G light is the brightest and most efficient underwater spa light available. In addition, Pentair's Intellibrite automated controller is recommended for use with the Intellibrite color lights to allow light colors to automatically rotate. Features: a superior reflector design, 12-volt, 18-watt, and 50-foot cord, easy touch control system, energy effective, no assembly required. Read the instructions before installation and use. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.